Buying food item from Dollarama is such a taboo out here. But in a recent trip to this round the corner dollar store, I did come across a plethora of healthy snack items in a budget. So here goes a mini Dollarama food item haul. So first thing that I picked is this 170-gram packet of quinoa. It's organic and just $1.50. From salads to cakes, there is so much that we can do with quinoa. So I got 2 of them. I was exhilarated to find black chia seeds for $1.25. They too are organic and we can never go wrong with black. I went a little overboard with them and got around 10 packets for my health pantry. With these at hand, overnight oats would never be an issue for me henceforth. The nut and dried fruit section was elaborate and it was a treat to my eyes. I picked 2 of those 100-gram cashew packets, each for $2. They are salted and work perfectly as a palate changer after fruits or sweets. Followed by Sultana raisins, 2 25-gram packets, and look at the qualities it flaunts. Surely a worthy buy. Here are 75-gram almond wraps for $1.50. So happy to find natural almonds in such travel-friendly packages. The most exciting buy of the day were walnuts and pecans. Look at those mini brains in 70-gram packets marked $1.50 each. And those pecans I have already jarred. They came in 70-gram packets for $2. Then my attention got grabbed by hazelnuts. Yeah, the infinitesimal ones in chocolate bars. Incredible to find 75-gram packets for $1.25, and they are roasted too. I was really stung by those in-shell peanuts which were roasted and at the same time unsalted. Such a rare combination. These are 400-gram packets sold for a mere $2 each. They did have salted ones too, but the plain ones are very versatile. Their uses ranging from granolas to pohas and so much in between. Next thing that screamed for attention were these Belgian dark chocolate bars. It was irresistible to see 85% cacao bars marked for $1.50. That was dirt cheap. There are 7 grams carbohydrate and 6 grams fiber, which makes net carbohydrate 1 gram per 4 pieces. I have bought these earlier too, and sure they have made a special place in my heart. I really love them. My star purchase has to be these good to go protein bars. They are a bundle of energy without redundant carbs or sugars, and therefore they can function as apt pre or post workout snack. Here goes a zoomed in view of all the goodness these bars possess. Each bar is 40 grams and contains 29% fiber and a negligible 1% sugar. These are $1.75 each, which is of course at a higher end, but these are double chocolate and they are scrumptious. These are available in vanilla flavor too. They are soft, chewy bars, almost like soft serve cookies. Very flavorful and certainly very satisfying. I did lift a whole carton of these bars. Now that is a proof of their deliciousness. Then some random purchases, like this 250-gram petite bottle of Cheese Whiz. It works wonders with tortillas to address our sudden untimely hunger pangs. Then some mini bottles of spices and herbs like garlic powder, lemon pepper and other pizza seasonings, each for $1. They are such pantry essentials and as such saviors. I found these really helpful. They come handy while whipping up some sauces or while roasting chicken or vegetables. Oh, that's a heap of thing for a very cool price. And each item is a health item. If you too are a healthy snack junkie like me, then do share your favorite snack items in the comment section below. And yeah, they should always be budget friendly. If you found this Dollarama haul video about healthy snack items interesting, then please do like, share, and subscribe to The Health Factor.